Nature's Ballad, a new poetry video presentation by Ken Allen Dronsfield. Sit back and relax and listen to a little poetic tale. Enjoy. During sunset, rains small blooms of blue. Lovely is the enchanting azure bellflower. Their tentacle roots grasp for evening dew. Brightest in the midst of the golden hour, peepers sing loudly to the skyward hues. I wish none were too old for a natured walk. Green grasses, too, will soon wither and die. The moon begins rising to a soaring goshawk. Breezes touch the petals, quivering and shy. We spend days content in the warmer times, watching lightning bugs dance like stars. Far away, we hear the lovely wind chimes. A foghorn retorts, keeping ships afar. The morning dove calls from a tall tree. A small red fox listens rather intently, happy and free.